What is up, guys, and welcome back. So now in this video we're going to be working up with the theme customizer, and this is very important. So let's just go to theme customizer, and let's just edit our theme totally. Okay, I'm just going to go to all the settings simultaneously so that I can just explain it to you that are important. Okay, so let's just go to general settings. Here we can go to the general settings. We have the layout settings. Okay, we can just enable the box layout. Okay, so this is the old layout. This people used to just have the box layout in the older days when they can just create their box layout. So I just don't want this. I just want it to be the normal one. This is now the people create the blog with. So okay, so then we have the sidebar with. We can control manage our sidebar right here. So you can see if I just increase it, the sidebar is being increased. I'm just gonna go with the normal one, and then we have the website gutter width. So if I just decrease it, you can see the column section or the spacing is being decreased. So you can do it if you want to. I think it looks great with the normal one. So you can see there are a bit spacing. If you don't like the spacing, you can just decrease it. I'll decrease it. I'll just set it to 2 because I think it looks great. Or let's just choose it to be this one. No. I will set it to 2. So just give some spacing, not too much. Okay. Here you can work with the content width. Like if you want to increase it for the big websites, you can increase the content width as well. But I'm gonna be going up with the default one, and then we have the accent color. Okay. Let's just come here and let's change it. So you can see this color is being changed. So you can pretty well manage with which color you want to go with, and then you have to stick to it. So make sure that you just make some changes with the customizer so that it applies to everything. Do not just come here to a single module and then change it. So make sure that you just choose one and then you stick to it. So I'm just gonna go with the purple one because I think I like it a bit, and I'm just gonna stick to it. Okay, so this is a kind of blue. Okay, and I think it looks great. So I'm gonna go back right here, and then we have the typography settings. So here you can just work with the default theme font and the heading text size. This is the heading text size. So I'm just gonna increase it so you can see this is being increased. Okay, and this is looking so great. Okay, I love this. I'm just gonna go with the normal one. Okay, so then we have the body text size. Okay, we can increase it, decrease it. Okay, and then we have the heading line height. So you guys already know about the line height, the spacing from the top, the bottom, the sides. So I can just increase it. Oh, sorry. I'm just increasing the text size. I was just confused of what is happening. I'm just gonna increase the line height, and you can see the height from the top and the bottom is being increased. Then we have the body height as well. You can increase the body height if you want to, and you can see here, right here, this is increasing. I'm just gonna go with the default one right here, and then we have the heading font style. So everything is capitalized here. Okay, if I just click here, you can see nothing is capitalized, and I can even underline it. Okay, I can even make it italic. I'm not gonna make it underline, but italic looks fine to me. So I'm gonna go down, and then we have the heading theme font. Here you can choose how you want the font to be. So you can choose a different font. You can choose anything from here. Okay, I think this looks pretty cool right here. Okay, what is the font name? Abhaya Libre. I think this looks cool. This looks cool. Okay, but this will only apply to the heading, not the body text. The body text should be visible to us and easy to understand, and so I think it is looking cool. So if I choose Advent Pro, the Advent Pro looks cool, but I think I should go with the default one, because default one is more likely to read. Okay, so then we have the body link color, the body text color, and everything. You can manage it. So I hope you are understanding, and you guys have already understand it if you are watching my whole series of videos from the top. So then we have the background color. Here you can manage the background color, that how you want the background color, but I'm just gonna be going up with the default one. Or if you want to go with a more enhanced, you can go with the hashtag eBay, and then eBay. This is the one that I personally use and I like to use. So I'm just gonna go with the publish, and let's just go to the header and navigation settings. Here we can manage the header and navigation settings. You guys probably already know if you have worked, if you have created this website with me, that is s3.completewpcourse.com. This is exactly the same as this. We can manage everything from here. Okay, I'm just gonna go to the header format settings, and you can see that we have the left, right, centered, and everything. So I can select this, I can select the centered one, and you can see this is now centered. So I'm just gonna go with the left, right, because I think I like this. And then we have hide navigation until scroll. So this is gonna hide it. If I just scroll my page, you can see the navigation is appearing. So you can pretty well do that if you want to, but I think it looks unprofessional to not do that. Okay. Then we have the primary menu bar settings. Here we can make it the full width if we want to. You can see this is now added as full width. So I think it looks great on full width. We can also hide the logo image. So I don't think so if logo image should be hidden. So this looks cool, but I'm not going to make it full width. Okay, I'm just going to go with the default one. And then we have the menu height, so we can increase the menu height as well. Okay, we can decrease it a bit, that how much we want to decrease it. Okay, I'm just going to go with the default one. And then we have the logo height, so we can increase, decrease the logo height as well. I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller so that it looks much cool. And then I also want to decrease the size of the menu. I think it looks cool. And then we have the text size, which is referring to this. We can also increase or decrease it. Okay, I'm just going to decrease it more. This looks cool. Okay, cool. And then we have the letter spacing, so you can just go with the letter spacing as well. I'm just going to go with the 0 1. Okay, and then we have the default theme font, and you can change it. You can change that how you want it to be. You can also change to be a Bayal Libre. Okay. So here you can manage the text color and everything from here, the background color as well. Okay, so if you want to choose a different background, you can go with that. But since I've chosen this one right here, so I think I should be going up with a bit of purple right here. So you can see that this is how this is looking. So make sure that you manage this with this as well a bit. And since this is right here, the not the full one, so you can make it the full. But I didn't think so if I like the full. So you have to make it a little bit fade so that it is visible to me. Okay. And then we have the hover link active color, so you can select this as well if you want it to be a different. I didn't think so if we should make it change. This is the default settings are looking cool. And then we have the text color right here. So I think text color needs to be more visible. This is now visible a bit, so I think it is looking a bit cool. I'm just going to choose it to be a little bit of gray, not the full. So this is looking pretty well right now. Okay, let's go down, and then we have the drop down menu, active link color, drop down menu text color. Okay, so we have this drop down menu text color, drop down menu line color. Okay, this is the line color right here and everything. So we have the drop down menu fade in from top, so you can see this is changing. This is like this. Okay, if you go to this scale in from center, then you're gonna see this is also a great thing that we have right here. But I basically like slide in vertically. Yes, I just like this one. So I'm just gonna select this one, and then let's go ahead and let's hit save right now. Okay, let's just go to this right here. Let's go to the secondary menu bar settings, and here we have this one right here. You can manage the color of this, so I'm gonna be choosing a bit darker with this. Okay, I'm gonna make it a little bit more darker so that it is visible to me. I think it looks cool. It looks cool right now. So I've chosen fully darker. Okay, I'm just gonna make it a little bit same. Okay, cool. Okay, so you can see this is changing a bit, and we have the text color right here. So text color is also like this, so you can pretty well manage everything from here. You can see then we have the search card icon background color and everything from here, and we can manage it. So we can also make it full width if we want to. You can see this is now turned full width. Okay, so everything looks cool right here. Okay, I'm gonna go back right now, and then we have the fixed navigation. Fixed navigation is basically this that is coming. So you can just come here to the fixed navigation, and you can change the menu height to be more light. And if you just go, you can see this is increased, and if you go down, this is like this. So you can also in this, you can change the background color as well. Okay, I can make it full white if I want to, and this is now changed to full white, and I can make the text color to be black. So now if I go down, you can see how this is. Okay, I'm gonna choose the default one and the default one for the background because I want it to be the default. So let's just make it a little bit of purple right here so that it matches everything. The blue looks cool as well. okay, but I don't want the blue. I want this to be the matching with this, so it should match. I want it to be more purple. Let's select purple from here, and let's decrease the opacity from here. I want it to be more like blue. Cool. Okay, so I can just get the code from here. Let's just come here. Let's just grab the code. Color picker page active. Let's just grab this code. Okay, and I want to paste it right here. Okay, so let's go down, and you can see that the color remains same. Cool. Okay, what I'm going to do right now, I want to hit publish right now, and I'm going to go back, and there we have the header element settings. So I mean, here we can just show the social icons, we can show the search bar, and we can also show trending bars. So I think I like this one. This is so amazing, so do not change it. Okay, and if you want to remove the social icons, you can remove them, but I think it is a good way to add that, and you can get some followers and everything. Let's go back, and then we have the footer settings right here. So here you can manage the footer. Okay, you can go to the layouts. You can see that we have 3 columns right here. You can select 2, you can select 4, and everything. Okay, and then here you can also add a list of pages. You can also add something with that. Then we have the typography, so you can manage it. You can manage the footer elements as well, this and everything from here. Okay, then we have the bottom bar. So here you can add everything pretty well here from here. Okay, I'm gonna go back, and then we have the buttons right here. Okay, so here we have the button styles, the button hover icons. Okay, so we can manage it. We can just increase the size. Okay, and then we can also change the color and everything. So you can also make it same like this. If I just change the background color to be a bit of blue, you can see it will be blue. I can make it full like here. I can increase the opacity, so you can see this is changed to this. So you can do work with it. You can do manage that how you want it to appear. So I think it looks cool right here with this much color. Okay, I'm gonna go down, and then we have the border width. So you can increase the border, you can increase the border color, you can just go with this. So I can increase the border width. Okay, I can go with the border radius as well. I can just make it like this, so you can pretty well manage and play with it. Okay, I'm gonna go down, I'm gonna go back, and then we have the button hover style. So on hover, you can change the color, you can make it full black. Okay, you can see this is down black. You can increase the opacity and everything from here, so you can see how this is changing. We have the text size, the border width as well, so you can make it the full, you can make the border radius to be full. So if I just bring my mouse here, you can see it is changing. Then we go down, we go back, and then we have the social media networks. Here we can add some links. So you can see that we have the social media right here. I can add the Google Plus URL, Pinterest URL, WordPress URL, my Vimeo URL, my LinkedIn, my RSS as well. So you can see these so much are here, so that is why they give more core to the website. So make sure that you add it, you create your profile, and then you add these social links. Okay, we go back, and then we have the site identity. Here we can work with the site identity and the icon. You guys already know about it, so let's just add any icon like here. Okay, I'm just gonna grab this one. I just like this guy a lot. He's so happy. So I'm just gonna grab it. I just need to crop the image first. Okay, so let's crop the image to, and let's hit crop. So you can see it's gonna apply here. It's gonna take some time because it is cropping the image, and you can see this has been applied here. I'm gonna go back to background image. If you want to add a background image and you want to add it, you can add it. You can just select here, and you can just hit choose image. So the image is going to be added. You are gonna see right now. The image is not appearing. I'm gonna go to fill screen. Okay, this image is right here right now. Okay, let's make it center, and you can see I'm gonna hit fit to screen. So it is going to be fit to screen right now, and I can just hit fill screen. Okay, so let's wait till this is done, and it's gonna show you how this is gonna look. So this is how it is looking. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna hit remove because I don't want any image right now. Okay, let's go to the menus right here, and here we can manage the menu. You guys already know about it. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the widgets right here, and here we have the footer widget. So you can see that we have the footer sidebar left, we have the footer sidebar middle, we have inactive footer sidebar, okay, and then we have the footer sidebar right. So we can manage everything from here as well. Okay, I'm gonna go back right here, and then we have the home page settings right here. So we have the extra category layout. You can select any layout from here as well, and your front page displays, make sure that you do not make any change to here. Just keep it as it is, otherwise your changes will be messed from here. And then we have the additional CSS, so you can add some additional CSS. I'm probably wondering that you don't want to mess with this because CSS is like a bit of coding and we don't want to add them. So now you can see that we're totally done with our website. This is how our website is looking, and our website is looking pretty great and amazing. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching this. And if you think that any of the code is not working and anything is not working, then go ahead and contact your Divi team, because they're gonna give you free support. You have a year support, so make sure that you avail it, and they will give you free support. And you can, if that code is not working, this something code is not working, they will help you. So you can also contact me on Udemy, and I will help you as well. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching this, and in the next video we will be working up with that thing that is the e-commerce website. So stay tuned, and bye bye.